Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma, Engineering and Technology, Bhinder East. Subject Applied Mathematics, myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Application of definite integration, it is our chapter number 6. What exactly application of definite integral? In definite integral, lower and upper limit f of x dx is equal to f of b minus f of a, where limit it is enclosed in the class intervals. That's why which are applicable to find the area. What we have to exactly discuss. Application of definite integral, the area under the curve of a function, the area between two curves, and the volume of solid of revaluation. In this graph, the y is equal to f of x, it is the x-axis, it is a y. So we have to define the shaded region area, so we have to use the definite integral concept. What that? Area under the curve. To find the area under the curve, this expression gives us a definite value at the end of the calculation. That means lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x dx is equal to capital F of x a to b is equal to f of b minus f of a, where f of x is calculated by using the integration formula. When the curve is the above x-axis, the area is the same as definite integral. By this diagrammatically we have to show. So area is equal to lower limit a, upper limit b of integration f of x dx. It is enclosed in x is equal to a and x is equal to b, lower and upper limit, that is shaded region, we have to enclose. What is the area between the curve y is equal to x square minus 4 and the x-axis? Obviously, the shaded area that we want, we can easily work out the curve cross the x-axis, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 2. To define therefore, we integrate the function between minus 2 and 2. By solving x square minus 4, so we know that on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So 0 is equal to x square minus 4, x square is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to plus minus 2. So therefore area enclosed by this graphically minus 2 to 2. So we have to apply the area formula. Area is equal to lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x dx. Therefore area is equal to lower limit is minus 2, upper limit is 2, x square minus 4 dx. Which is equal to, what is the integration of x square? It is exactly x cube upon 3. What is the integration of 1? 1 is x and 4 remain as a constant to the multiple. Lower limit minus 2, upper limit 2. Instead of x, we have to put upper limit first 2 and simplify, and lower limit minus 2 and simplify. We derive 8 upon 3 minus 8 minus in bracket minus 8 upon 3 plus 8. Equating, we derive 16 upon 3 minus 16. So we calculating 16 minus, so we multiply and we derive the answer in the form of minus 10.67. The area is not negative because it is below the x-axis, area above the x-axis. On the other hand, give the positive result. We have to take answer is 10.6 square unit. Find the area enclosed by y is equal to 8x minus 2x square and the x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0, so we have to put instead of y, 0 is equal to 8x minus 2x square. Linearly we write 8x minus 2x square is equal to 0. 2x we have to take common, 4 minus x is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. Instead of y, we have to put the formula area is equal to lower limit a, upper limit b, y dx is there. So instead of y, we have to put 8 minus 2x square. So what is the integration of x? Yes, it is exactly x square upon 2. What is the integration of x square? It is exactly x cube upon 3. So divided by 2, so obviously 2 4s are 8. So 4x square minus 2 by 3 x cube. Lower limit 0, upper limit 4. Putting the higher limit, that is 4, and then subtract by lower limit is 0, we derive 4 into 4 square minus 2 upon 3 4 cube minus 0. 4 into 4, that is obviously 16 into 4 64 minus 2 upon 3 4 cube is there. So obviously we derive the final answer in the form of 21 1 upon 3 unit square. Now we have to find the area of the given curves on the line, that is obviously y minus x square and x is equal to 1, x is equal to and x-axis. Already the x value is given, that means lower and upper limit is given. So enclosed in area y is equal to x square, it is exactly curve. So x1 and x2 lower and upper limit, so we have to allocate 1 to 2 y dx. Y is equal to x square, so we have to put lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2, x square dx. What is the integration of x square? It is exactly x cube upon 3, lower limit 1, upper limit 2. 1 upon 3 remain as the same. We have to put upper limit is 2 cube minus 1 cube. And 1 upon 3 we have to already take the common. 1 upon 3, 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 it is 7. 7 upon 3. Final answer is 1 upon 3 into 7, that is 7 upon 3 square units. Oh, directly given the 4x cube is dx is there. Lower limit 1, upper limit 2. Then we have to take the 4 common and we have to know that x cube integration is x raised to 4 upon 4. 4 get cancelled. That's why x raised to 4 lower limit 1, upper limit 2. Instead of x we have to put 2 and instead of x we have to put 1. 2 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4. 1 raised to any number, 1 remain as the same. 2 raised to 4, obviously that is 16. 16 minus 1, 15 unit square is the area of 4x cube, that is the curve. Next, find the area under the y is equal to under root 1 minus x square from x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 1. It is enclosed in this way because we have to allocate it is the area which is enclosed in minus 1 to 1 by this diagrammatically, which is exactly semicircle. Why? Because we have to take our y is equal to under root 1 minus x square is just top half of the simple circle of radius 1. The area of semicircle is what? Yes, A is equal to pi r square upon 2. Pi upon 2 is the area. Now, we have to know that 2 minus 1 to 1 under root 1 minus x square because it is the even function. So, we derive 2 pi by 2 is equal to pi. Now, we have to discuss the area of between two curves. Previous example totally depend on the area under the curve or enclose the area. So now the first area problem, suppose that f and g are continuous function and interval a comma b and f of x greater than g of x for a less than equal to x less than equal to b. This means that the curve y is equal to f of x lies above the curve y is equal to g of x and that the two can touch but never cross. Find the area capital A of the region bounded above by y is equal to f of x, below by f of y is equal to g of x and the sides by the lines x is equal to a and x equal to b. These diagrammatically we have to prove the enclosed area, that is the area between two different curve. So area between intersecting curve. So this defined as find the area between graph y is equal to x square minus 4 and y is equal to 2x minus 1. Graph of both function. Find the points of intersecting by equating both the function. We given that y is equal to x square minus 4, y is equal to 2x minus 1. So x square minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. X square minus 2 minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 and x minus 1 are both the factor, x equal to minus 1, x equal to plus 3. So we enclose this area, x is equal to minus 1 obviously and x is equal to 3 on this quadrant. It is allotted this portion. Now enclosing point are start, area of A to B, top minus bottom. So top is obviously we have to consider as a 2x minus 1 minus x square minus 4. So by graphically and by the diagrammatically. Minus 1 to 3, 2x equating part is start minus x square minus plus 2x minus 1 plus 4. It is the obviously we have to derive it is minus minus plus and minus 1. So minus x square we have to take common, x square minus x square plus 2x plus 3. We know the area and integration formula and define x square integration is x cube upon 3, 2x integration 2x square upon 2 3 integration is 3 into 1. We have to put the upper limit 3, lower limit minus 1. We derive the final answer in the format of 32 upon 3. So in these words, they say that if we differentiate the expression for the area, we get the equation of the curve. Or in other words, the formula for area is the antiderivative of the equation of curve. Antiderivative means it is integration defined for the definite value shown in this diagram. Therefore, area A is equal to lower limit A, upper limit B, f of x dx, which means find the antiderivative of f of x, which equal to capital A into x, then calculate A into B minus A of A. Means what? Suppose we have to take just small example for realize that thing. Y is equal to f of x is equal to 3x square is the function, and A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 is given. What is the area formula? Yes, it is right. Area is equal to lower limit integration lower limit A, upper limit B, f of x dx. We have to put the A is equal to 2, upper limit is 4, 3x square is the function. We know that integration of x square is x cube upon 3. 3 get cancelled, we derive x cube, lower limit 2, upper limit 4. So 4 cube minus 2 cube. So we derive 4 cube is 64 minus 2 cube is 8. 56 unit square, yes, square unit. It is possibly right as a unit. Find area enclosed by the y is equal to x square and y is equal to 3x minus 2. If both the equation given, we have to must find the lower and upper limit, that is limit enclosed by this. So we compare x square is equal to 3x minus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So factor of this quadratic equation x minus 2, x minus 1 equal to 0. We know that x is equal to 2 and x equal to 1 are the factors of this combination of these two equation. We have to enclose 3x minus 2 minus x square. By diagrammatically we have to prove this way. This is the shaded region we have to find. So 3x minus 2 minus x square. What is the integration of x? S. It is exactly x cube or x square. Yes, it is x square upon 2. What is the integration of 1? It is x. What is the integration of x square? It is x cube upon 3. We have to put upper limit 2 first. 3 upon 2, 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 1 upon 3, 2 cube minus 3 upon 2. Now we have to put which limit? Yes, it is lower limit. Minus 3 bracket we have to compulsory write. 3 upon 2, 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 3, 1 cube. Simplify, we derive the answer is minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. Final answer 1 upon 6 square unit or unit square. This shaded portion is very minimum area enclosed. Find the area under the curves and given lines. Y is equal to x square, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Obviously only one area we have to define, that is y dx is there. So instead of y we have to put x square, x cube upon 3 lower limit 1 upper limit 2. We derive 1 upon 3 2 cube minus 1 cube 8 minus 1 1 upon 3. Final answer is 7 upon 3. Find the area bounded by y is equal to x and x is equal to axis is equal to 0. Yes, x is equal to 0 to x equal to 4. Area is equal to lower limit a upper limit b y dx. Instead of y we have to put x dx, x square upon 2 lower limit 0 upper limit 4. 4 square upon 2 minus 0. 4 square is 16, 16 divided by 2 it is exactly 8. Now, what is the area between the curve y is equal to x square minus 4? We have to just discuss. Find the total area between the curves y is equal to x cube and x axis and x equal to minus 2 to plus 2. Directly we have to put the formula x cube integration is x raised to 4 upon 4. Upper limit 2 lower limit 0 we have to consider using the definite integral property, and upper limit 0 and lower limit minus 2 because minus 2 to 2, so we have to use the property. Area of this is 4, area of x cube lower limit minus 2 to 0 is minus 4, so area is 4 because 4 minus of minus 4 it is 4 8 unit square. So we can add both the area and we got the total area of this diagram. Here we have to use the property of definite integral, that is minus a to a f of x is equal to minus a to b and b to a.